Hi guys, it's Miss Andrea. So we are back to do another drawing video. A lot of my friends have said that they like these, so we're going to make another one. So for our project today, we will need a pencil. We have our book. We need some paper and then something to color in with. All right, so when we had first started drawing together, we had made a lion. And then we made the turtle. And last week we made a bear. So I thought today we would make a cat. So you can make your cat any colors that you want. Remember that when we're drawing, it's just a bunch of shapes put together, so you don't have to be scared and thinking that you can't do it. It just takes practice. And remember that when you're drawing with your pencil to draw light lines so that if you do make a mistake, you can erase it. So let's have my paper. And the first thing that we're gonna need to do is draw your kitty's head. It is just a circle. And then we will make his ears, which are triangles. So remember that when you're drawing, to draw lightly, so that if you have to erase something, your lines will disappear. So there's the head to my kitty cat. And then his ears are two triangles, one on the left side and one on the right side. So let's draw those. Some kitties have really big ears, some have shorter ears. So you make them however you want, because remember this is your picture. And then I'm gonna draw the insides, which are just smaller triangles. And then for the body of your kitty, again, it is just a big circle. Okay, and I'm gonna erase the lines that I don't want. Okay, there's our kitty, and then we have to make a tail. So the tail, what we're gonna do first to make this shape is we're gonna just draw a curved line, okay? And then next to it, draw the same thing like that, and then you can make the top either pointy like a triangle. Maybe you want to do it a little bit rounder, like that. However you choose to do it is fine. You're just going to erase any lines that you don't want. And then we're going to draw his eyes, which are also circles. Sometimes cats can have an eye like that, which is kind of like a circle with two triangles on both sides. So if you wanted to make it like that, you would just draw the triangles on the end and then you can erase it. And then his nose is a triangle. And remember from our bear and our lion, you draw a mouth like that. And then he's missing one thing on his face. What is that? He is missing some whiskers. So there's 3 whiskers on either side. So 3 on the left and 3 on the right. And your kitty cat is done. Pretty easy. If you wanted to draw some arms, you can draw some arms here, like that. Maybe you wanted to draw some feet, like that. I'm gonna leave him just like that, how he is in the book. And then when it comes to decorating and coloring in your cat, you can make it however you want. So this kitty has spots almost like a cow. You could do some zigzaggy lines like this to make it look like tiger stripes. My kitty Spike has stripes like that. Well, Ellie does too, but she's gray and black. You could do an orange kitty with some brown stripes. You could make it rainbow. You can make it however you want. So I think that I'm gonna make an orange kitty. I'm gonna make an orange kitty and do lighter orange stripes because that's what my kitty looks like. But be creative and do that, and then we will come back together Okay, so I've outlined my kitty, and then I'm gonna color in his face before I color in his body. I'm gonna give my kitty some green eyes. So remember that you draw on the lines of the pencil, and then you color it in. And then when I'm done with this, I will add some black for his eyeballs. And then you could make his nose whatever color you wanted. Maybe you wanted him to have a black nose. I'm gonna have my kitty have a pink nose and pink inside of the ears. So you just color those in, just like that. And when you're coloring small spaces, you want to color slower in shorter strokes so that you don't go outside of the lines. All right, and then I almost forgot his mouth and the whiskers. So if you did not draw right on the lines, that is okay because you can just erase them. That's the best part about drawing with pencils, is that you can erase things. All right, so now I'm gonna color in the body of my kitty and give him some stripes. I'm just gonna do some zigzags like this, almost like I'm scribbling. And I'm gonna go all the way around. I'm gonna do some on this side, and then I'll do some on this side, and I'm going to go all the way around and then color the rest of them in with orange. All right, so there's my kitty all colored in. I did notice that when I was coloring and I did my yellowish orange stripes, they kind of disappeared. So I had to go back with my regular orange and just color in a little bit darker. All right, so I hope you guys had fun. I bet your kitties look amazing.